closing.
Hi, this is Tarana, and today I'm in conversation with the oh so adorable mommy to be, the head of the family of We Are Family, Kajol. Welcome to the show, Kajol.
Thank you.
And I am sure बहुत सारे लोगों ने आपसे कहा होगा pregnancy really suits you.
Well, I was made to be pregnant.
I think you're meant to be a mother according to your producer Karan Johar.
According to my producer and according to me, I always have said, I think, since the first time that I got pregnant, I believe that I was definitely made to be a mom.
Really?
Literally, yeah.
तो बचपन में
Found my niche.
but like बच्चे पसंद थे हमेशा और
बिल्कुल हमेशा
पसंद
हमेशा
है।
से आई थिंक मैं 9 साल की थी जब मेरी पहली गुड़िया मिली थी मुझे
हाँ।
और मैंने तभी मम्मी को बोल दिया था कि मम व्हेन आई रीच 18 इयर्स ओल्ड मैं जब 18 साल की हो जाऊंगी आई विल अडॉप्ट माय फर्स्ट चाइल्ड
अच्छा
तो मम्मी ने बोला बेटा रुक जाओ
20 तक
हाँ 20 तक 21 तक रुक जाओ लाइक अभी शादी कर ही लो बेटा और अपना खुद का पैदा कर लो
So of course the second one is on the way.
Right.
Little ironic कि आपकी फिल्म का नाम है We Are Family and you are in the family way.
yeah we are in the family way
And shooting करते समय also I'm guessing आप pregnant थे.
not really I think we completed the entire film before I got pregnant we had only one little patchwork left so
So आपकी producer करण जी से हमारी बात हुई थी and he at one point said Kajol for me is the ultimate mother. अगर मुझे कभी भी किसी माँ के she is the modern day Nirupa Roy is what she said.
listen Nirupa Roy was a very careless mother she kept losing all her children in her movies I'm nothing like that
लेकिन वो मिल जाते थे बाद में. माते image है you're happy with it.
I'm very happy with it I'm rocking with it
And I'm seeing promos of the film and y'all are looking really good together.
Thank you
And you would think of like दो actresses जो बहुत like जानी मानी actresses मानी जाती हैं. Everybody believes in you guys as performers. So we expected fireworks and all, but y'all are like best friends, right?
I wouldn't say best friends, but we really got along well. I mean, and I know that it sounds very non-dramatic
हाँ,
और
बिल्कुल
ड्रामा नहीं है,
non-controversial.
मिर्ची मसाला नहीं है, तड़का नहीं लगा दाल पे.
हाँ, बाल नहीं खींचे गए
हाँ,
से.
वही ना, cat fights नहीं हुए. I'm sure it excites lots of people to
Yeah.
hear about the fact that we had cat fights and all, but no, we didn't. We were quite boring and we were quite horrible people that we didn't want to add to the drama of the film. Picture में काफी ड्रामा है, हमको real life में ड्रामा create नहीं करना था.
हाँ, because हम scenes देखते हैं and the way you're just like you know like मुझे माँ बनने में इतना ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लगा, तुम्हारे जितना नहीं है. That's like mean, but none of that happened off screen.
No, nothing. Sad but true.
There's Kareena, जो like लोग मानते हैं she's a very good actress. She's somebody who's a big fan of yours. And then there is Arjun. Was he psyched with y'all?
Not really. I think he was very sweet. He was very nice about the whole thing, and he's actually his role has turned out very, very well in the film. So
Okay.
I mean, when you watch the film, you know he's turned out really, really good.
And apparently इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद according to Arjun, हाँ, हम सबको अपनी माँ की याद आएगी. We'll go and give her a giant hug and then we'll cry.
Really?
हाँ.
Okay.
What have you done to us?
पता नहीं. मैंने पिक्चर नहीं देखी अभी तक. जब मैं पिक्चर देखूंगी तब मैं बताऊंगी आपको कि मैंने क्या किया है आपको.
So जब आप अपनी खुद की फिल्म्स देखते हो, what are you very judgmental, very critical? Are you only looking at makeup? अपनी performance को आप judge?
I think I am critical. I am judgmental, and but I think that's with everybody and their work.
Right.
I mean, हम सब जो करते हैं हम हमारा काम जो होता है हमें हमेशा कल लगेगा कि है इतना अच्छा नहीं था. मैं आज देखो कुछ ज्यादा कर सकती थी या इसको अलग कर सकती थी. तो it's always I feel that कल मुझे हमेशा लगेगा कि मैंने आज का काम खराब कर दिया. So I think that's with all the movies that you watch also.
So now when you know this about yourself, I think हर actor सबसे ज़्यादा critical होता है.
बिल्कुल.
Who's that one person जिसका opinion like matters to you the most? Like
My own.
अच्छा, your own only.
My own opinion. I think my opinion matters to me the most. My judgment of myself matters to me the most.
And what about the director? जब वो कहें like perfect shot and if you don't feel it, then
I feel yes, you have to trust the director also, but you have to trust instinctively what you think is right for you also. आपको उस पे विश्वास खुद पे विश्वास होना चाहिए and वो विश्वास आता है जैसे experience होते जाता है you know जैसे आप पिक्चरें करते जाते हो तो उसके साथ एक्सपीरियंस के साथ वो जजमेंट आती है आपको.
Speaking of directors, आपके जो director हैं सिद्धार्थ, I've known him from like childhood and he's married to a dear friend of mine. So I was very excited कि वो आपको finally cast कर पाए इस फिल्म में. So एक बहुत फनी सी अफवाह है कि उन्होंने मन्नत मांगी थी कि अगर आप हाँ कर देंगी.
वो अफवाह नहीं है, वो सच्चाई है.
सच्चाई है कि हर मंगलवार को वो मंदिर जाएंगी अगर आप इस फिल्म को हाँ करने के लिए तैयार हो. तो गए मंदिर?
जी हाँ बिल्कुल. हर शनिवार को जाते हैं. हाँ, every Saturday he goes and his BB status says every Saturday मंदिर टाइम अगेन. उनकी मन्नत काम आ गई.
और ये कब पूरी होगी, कब तक जाएंगी जब तक रिलीज होती है फिल्म?
एक्चुअली उन्होंने जिंदगी भर तक रखा है. अभी कितनी देर तक करेंगे वो देखना पड़ेगा.
Stepmom is the original and ये official Hindi remake है. So when you get the rights and you say कि हम officially remake करेंगे, कितना original रखना पड़ता है और कितना आप बदल सकते हैं?
आई थिंक वो आप पर है कि आप कितना बदलना चाहते हो.
Okay.
कि ये कहानी मतलब कितनी बदलनी चाहिए. सो द बेसिक स्टोरी लाइन इज द सेम.
Okay.
जो बेसिक कहानी है उसकी वो हमने ऐसी ही रखी है, लेकिन हमने बहुत इंडियनाइज किया उसको. उसमें गाने डाल दिए हम लोगों ने.
Correct.
और 3 बच्चे डाल दिए हैं. तो आई थिंक इट्स डेफिनेटली वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द ओरिजिनल स्टेप मॉम. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू गो देयर एंड एक्सपेक्ट the original
Same
stepmom,
नहीं.
it's not happening. You will have to go there and expect a different film. और जो character है माया का जिसका मैं play कर रही हूँ, माया, I think Maya is different. I think there is, you know, she's a different person. She's a different character. The way she's been written, the way she's been played is completely different from what
Susan Sarandon did.
Yeah, exactly.
So आपने like step mom को बहुत बार देखा to get into character और
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. मैंने एक बार देखा बहुत साल पहले, and I think the best thing that I did for myself was not to watch it again.
Because that would psych you otherwise.
Not only psych you, I think that you can't. आपको खुद की एक इंस्पिरेशन होनी चाहिए, एक खुद का एक खुद की क्रिएटिविटी होनी चाहिए, और वो क्रिएटिविटी निकलती नहीं. अगर मुझे लगता है कि इस इंसान ने, if I had seen it and I had said that Susan has done this role, this
Like
scene
this.
like this, and I should do it like that, in my head, at the back of my head, it would have always stayed there.
Yeah.
That, you know, oh, I should do it like this because damn, it was brilliant.
Yeah.
And you can never do what somebody else, you can never copy it to perfection.
No,
It will
you
always
can't.
be imitation.
And even if people think it's
So,
perfect, you're gonna
yeah,
say नहीं नहीं, but मैंने देखा है,
बिल्कुल.
she's like
तो मुझे
nailed
लगता
the
है
part.
जैसे मैंने कहा है कि I'm my biggest critic and my biggest judge.
है.
So I work for myself.
I love how Kareena in her interviews has said, Julia, I think I've surpassed Julia Roberts' performance.
Well, I don't think I've surpassed Susan Sarandon's performance. I have to say, I don't think I've done anything of the sort. As I said, they're 2 different films altogether. Maya is very different from what Susan's character was in the film. She has, I think, maybe the motivation is the same, but I think her character has been built up very differently.
So ये जो film की जो tagline है, एक family, एक unusual situation में, why are you all living together again? 2 औरतें एक ही घर में क्यों?
Because we're all mad. There's no other reason for it. I don't think that any woman would ever invite another woman into her own house.
Especially like her replacement, like मेरे बाद she's going to work.
But it's माया की जो कहानी है, जिस तरह से कैरेक्टर, जैसे मैंने कहा है, माया का कैरेक्टर है, शी इज अ वेरी प्रॉपर कैरेक्टर. उसको मतलब हर चीज में अगर एक राइट सिचुएशन है और एक थोड़ी सी नॉट राइट है, लेकिन इंटरेस्टिंग है, लेकिन वो इंटरेस्टिंग रास्ते पे कभी नहीं जाएगी. वो हमेशा बहुत ही करेक्ट सोल्यूशन ढूंढेगी उसके लिए. तो शी इज अ वेरी करेक्ट, very proper, very
by the book?
want to be, yeah, by the book, list maker, want to be perfect at everything kind of person. And she's the kind of woman that I think every woman identifies with, because I think every woman struggles with wanting to be the perfect mother, wife, sister, you know, daughter.
Control freak Monica.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, so that's her. And so the way she reacts to a situation when she's given no choice, and how she has to handle an unusual solution is how the circumstances come to be about.
Right.
और माया के लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल है, क्योंकि उसने कभी सोचा ही नहीं है. उसकी सोच में हमेशा या तो सही रास्ता है या तो गलत रास्ता है. ये बीच में का रास्ता उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ये सिर्फ एक कैरेक्टर की कहानी नहीं है, या सिर्फ बच्चों की कहानी नहीं है. आई थिंक इट्स अ फिल्म अबाउट रिलेशनशिप्स ऑफ एवरी काइंड.
Right.
बच्चों की रिलेशनशिप के बारे में बात करो, एक दूसरे से, या उनकी माँ से, या उनके पिता से, या द हस्बैंड एंड द वाइफ. There's a dynamic between the husband and the wife. There's a dynamic between बीवी और सौतन से. There's lots of very interesting dynamics going on there, and I think it makes for a very interesting film.
इस फिल्म का म्यूजिक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. I quite like the Hindi-fied version of Jailhouse Rock.
It's superb. I loved
ये
it.
गाना जो है वो किसका फेवरेट था? डायरेक्टर का, करण का, शंकर एहसान लोई का, आपका?
I think everyone's favorite would be. I mean, I loved Jailhouse Rock. I thought it was superb. I'm a big Elvis Presley fan.
Huh.
I think he's the king of rock. Always is and always will be. And I still have like Elvis playing in my car,
Okay.
like 24/7. So, I mean, it was an honor and a privilege to do Jailhouse Rock, which is one of Elvis Presley's most famous songs.
With the funniest Hindi lyrics.
Yeah, but
मुझे नहीं
it's
पता मैं क्या
fun.
गा रही हूँ.
Yeah, but it's, you know, it's meant to be fun, and I think Shankar Ehsaan and Loy have done a fabulous job
है.
with it. जो पिक्चर का म्यूजिक है, सब गाने एक्चुअली सिर्फ इसको नहीं लेकर. There's a beautiful song called Rehmo Karam in the film, which is also very nice and soulful and wonderful to hear. Then there is the title track, which is We Are Family.
I thought, you know, इस फिल्म में जैसे एक अंग्रेजी गाना है by the Spice Girls called Mama.
Yeah.
And it's about Mama. I thought like माँ पे like एक गाना तो होगा. Is there one which is all about?
नहीं तो पिक्चर का नाम सौतेली माँ होगा ना.
Okay, there is a We Are Family.
So we've gone into the like 22nd century, and we're like, we are family.
As
That kind of
opposed to
thing.
like Mama, I love you. So in this way, but like you do, you know, like very rarely I think आजकल औरतों को like performance backed roles मिलते हैं. In this there are two. Did Arjun at any point say, "Yeah, am I here for decoration?" Or
Well, he's very pretty
He's very
decoration.
pretty,
Let me put
very
it that way. No, but I maybe you know, I think when I read the script, I wasn't so sure as to how the character would turn out. जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी तब उस वक्त मुझे थोड़ा सा लग रहा था कि ये क्या होगा इसका कैरेक्टर कैसे निकलेगा और whatever. Will he be able to manage the balance? जो balance होता है, because at the end of the day, the guy is between two women and very strong women. तो उसको बीच में रखना, I mean, he has to keep a very, very correct balance, and he has to walk a very fine line in the film. He really did it well, and his characters come out really well.
And in a scene with like you and Kareena, अगर आप दोनों आमने सामने हैं, at any point was there any competitiveness अंदर से थोड़ी like, oh no, she's really done this really well, now I have to better it in the next one?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. I think the scenes are such that yes, they demand an interaction, I would say, more than a competitiveness.
Okay.
मतलब सीन में ऐसा है कि जितने भी सीन्स हम लोगों ने किए हैं, तो हम दोनों को एक दूसरे से बात करनी है,
हाँ.
एक दूसरे को बात नहीं करनी है.
मतलब lecture नहीं देना है.
We are not talking to each other, we are talking with each other, and we are reacting with each other,
Playing off each other.
Exactly. So we have to be, I mean, if I have to be good and she has to be good for me to look good.
She'll make you look good.
Exactly. She has to be really good to make me look good.
Right.
I wouldn't look half as good if she didn't look good.
So considering आप like typical mom हैं इसमें and you're a control freak, are you cooking and stuff in the film?
I don't think there are too many cooking scenes.
बच्चों के लिए मैं खाना बना रही हूँ and all that.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मेरे को लगता है एक या दो montage shot होंगे वैसे, लेकिन ज्यादातर नहीं है.
And real life में आप cook करते हो?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
कॉफी बनती है?
कॉफी भी नहीं बना सकती मैं.
कुछ नहीं.
नहीं. और मुझे लगता है कि that is मतलब हर औरत का हक होता है कि चूज करना कि आपको किचन में जाना है या नहीं जाना है. मुझे नहीं लगता कि going into the kitchen makes you a better mother or
Correct.
anything like that. So as long as you hire a good cook, you're fine.
And what sort of a mother are you in like real life? Are you like Maya?
I am a little bit like Maya, maybe. I am a little bit like Maya. I think every mom is a little bit like Maya because she's a very, very good mom. She's brilliant, and she's perfected the art, जैसे कहते हैं. And क्योंकि उसकी जिंदगी में सिर्फ उसके बच्चे हैं और उसने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी जो है अपने बच्चों को संभालने में मतलब परफेक्ट बना दी है. तो उसके लिस्ट विस्ट सब अपने बच्चों पे रिवॉल्व करते हैं. तो उनके खाने से उनके पढ़ाई तक, उनको उनके कपड़ों तक, everything is in perfect order because she just wants to take the best care of her kids as much as possible.
And Kajal is like that too.
I would like to be like that, but I don't think that I can manage it to that level. I think I'd go start raving bonkers if I had to go manage it like that too. She's a little too perfect, let me put it that way.
I read somewhere recently that Ajay has not seen My Name is Khan yet. Has he seen it yet?
No.
Together then, We Are Family and My Name is Khan.
दोनों का trial back to back रखूंगी.
And have you seen his last film?
I have seen Once Upon a Time in Mumbai and I loved it. I thought it was awesome.
Okay. And when do we see the two of you together again?
Well, I have another release coming up in December. Toonpur का सुपर हीरो.
जरा confused है हम उस फिल्म को लेकर. हमें लगता है कार्टून फिल्म है तो आप दोनों नजर आएंगे या आपका कार्टून
No, it's a live animation film, which means उसका मतलब है basically कि कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स हैं जिसके साथ हम लाइव कैरेक्टर्स interact करेंगे.
Like Who Framed Roger Rabbit?
Yeah, exactly. So it's very, very interesting and it's the first time that we're doing it in India. So, and the animation, I've seen the animation is absolutely amazing.
So you've been quite busy as an actor for the last few years.
ज्यादा ही काम कर लिया
हाँ,
है, तो
but
मैंने सोचा अभी ब्रेक करूंगी.
And then you'll do your 5th comeback again.
Yeah, God knows how many comebacks I'll have. Yeah.
All right, so now, as I let you go, जब audience We Are Family देखने जाएगी, what should they expect? Should they expect stepmom or should they just expect incredible performances because आप हैं?
Well, they should definitely expect incredible performances. No, but I think
हम क्या सोच कर जाएं?
just सोच के जाइए कि आप एक अच्छी पिक्चर देखने जा रहे हैं, and just go with a nice frame of mind that you're going to watch a good film, and that's it. I mean, don't expect Pakiza, don't expect Mughal-e-Azam, but expect a good film and expect great performances, and that's it.
Go Zing.